Hey there, so in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show you what is BrandConnect in YouTube Studio. This is a new feature. Currently this is in beta. It's only available to selected group of creators, and if you were selected, probably you received an email from YouTube so that you can now try out BrandConnect. What is that? That's actually a quite smart idea from YouTube. If you received email invitation, basically you just need to tap on the button, and then you just go to sidebar from your earn menu, and then you go to BrandConnect tab, and you just need to sign up with your just sign up agreement, enter a full name, email, and your company name, or just no company, and then you're in. Basically this is BrandConnect. And what is this? It just offers tools and solutions to help you manage your branded content deals. So yeah, probably you heard a lot about these bigger YouTubers with millions of subscribers who have this a lot of brand deals, and probably they have whole agencies working for them and doing outreach, doing agreements. Like, for example, if some big company wants to place an ad or order some promotional video on your YouTube channel, these agencies reach out to these brands reach out back to YouTube, or there is some negotiation, some price agreement, and then you just basically do this quick 30-second ad, or 20-second ad, or 10-second ad, in the midst of your YouTube video, or in the beginning of your YouTube video. So anyhow, this is quite a complicated process, and especially if you're a smaller YouTuber, how do you get started with this? You probably need to reach out to all these brands yourself. You need to set up some outreach campaign, either via emails or LinkedIn, or finding some agencies to help you with it. So it's quite complicated until you have millions of subscribers, and you are obviously agencies start to include yourself in their list, and they reach out to you. But if you're a bit smaller, it's quite complicated. So my point is YouTube tries to simplify this thing for smaller creators, and now you will have a chance, even if as a smaller creator, to try out these brand deals. So there are some requirements. So you can read in their YouTube Help Center that you need to be 18 years old, in the YouTube Partner Program, based in the US, no strikes at the moment. Then you also need to follow YouTube monetization policies. And at the moment, YouTube BrandConnect is in beta. It's only available to a small group of creators at this time. And then if you're among these creators, as I said, you will receive an email, and then in the left menu you can click Earn, click the BrandConnect tab. At the top of the screen, click Get Started, and let's go. And then you can review and accept the YouTube BrandConnect terms of service. Then set preferences, and so if you just go through it, one of the really helpful features here is actually Media Kit, which YouTube is generating for you. So even if you don't get any deals through this BrandConnect, this is a handy feature where you can just tap on it, and what it does is just generates your stats, your statistics for you. Just as an example, you can see number of your subscribers, videos, unique viewers, number of views available here. So you can just see all of that. And many more details, all the countries, audiences, anything in nice little PDF. And yes, you can get it as PDF, which showcases all your featured videos, all your stats, views, countries, interests, all the stuff that advertisers or partners want to see before they want to create a deal with you. So instead of doing it manually yourself, just going through the YouTube analytics, doing screenshots, creating presentations, or asking some agency to do that, or I don't know, like looking for some other ways, you can actually just do it automatically in one click here with Media Kit, and then just send it to your partners. So that's quite cool feature already, so you can try it out. Then there is a feature with like set suggested price, like what would you expect to receive an offer, what is the price of promotion in your YouTube channel. You can change this anytime. We recommend setting prices to include 6 months content to use on YouTube and other platforms. So yeah, you can just set it up here so advertisers know at least your range. Yeah, so that's also quite handy. So yeah, then there are like additional tutorials here in Google. So then there is like a deal management. If there is some new opportunity, you will see that in your dashboard. You can click in that see details. You will just see a high-level overview of the campaign's timeline. You can see walk through each stage of the deal and view where you're in the process. And then there is offer section, where you will see all the details, starting from price, campaign goals, additional requirements, product or service provided, talking points, campaign agreement, contact details of campaign manager, all of this. And then there is like details of video production, what the advertisers expect from you. Then there is payment section where you can see some payment info, some details. And then how the payment goes, it's actually also quite simplified here, that YouTube BrandConnect will pay you the price 30 days after your video goes live through AdSense. To find the total amount of money that you made through BrandConnect, you will just need to go through revenue, and then from revenue sources you can select BrandConnect, and then you just pay it via AdSense. So yeah. So again, it's still in beta, so that's what it is. The another question is, can managers, agents use BrandConnect? Yes. You can add, like specific roles to your YouTube studio. So for example, if you already have agency or some manager working with your YouTube, of course you can give access to BrandConnect to these people. You can set up some roles, manager roles in your YouTube studio. So yeah, there you have it. Then there is like a handy guide here. You can just you can get started, especially if you're a smaller YouTuber, you never used it. There are some handy tutorials, overviews how you can use it and start with it. You can just read it through. I really advise it to do that. Then there are some nice tips here from YouTube Creator Academy. So yeah, that's basically the process here. Yeah, I suggest it's a really good start, especially if you're a smaller YouTuber. For me personally, I never worked with brand deals. It's not really my focus at this channel. It also depends on on multiple factors, like how I'm not like very deep in this, but for example, what I understand what matters is like how many views your average video gets. So like during the last 10 videos, let's say each video should be getting like at least like 100,000 views or something like that. And if during your last 10 videos, one video gets 1 million views and other 9 videos getting like 100 views, it's not that good. So you need to prove to advertisers that during your last 10 videos you show the consistency. So on average you're still getting from 50,000 to 200,000 each video. Then and if your audience is right and you're getting a lot of viewers from US or Europe, for example, and then that is can kind of be a good case. So yeah, then it's can be better than if you just get one video which got like 2 million views, but all your other videos don't get that many views. But I have no idea actually, because as you see, like I don't participate yet in this much, because that's like I have a different structure of my YouTube channel at the moment. But yeah, it's a good opportunity for you to get started, and it's super easy. I think it's cool that YouTube made it, that it simplifies the process for you. You don't need to spend that much energy on agencies, and it can be a good starting point just for you to test it out. Like if actually advertisers looking at your media kit at all interested, like is your channel suitable for advertisers? Because there are some niches like finance, whatever, some technology, or if you're doing some long interviews, like where you can actually get a lot of deals and really nice promotional offers. And there are some niches where it's a bit harder. So it's just good seeing to test it out using BrandConnect. So anyhow, this is just like my thoughts. If you have any additional questions about it, just leave them in the comments.